Hello, Kristen here. I am outside of the original A&W. You can't hear me. So this is the home of the original A&W root beer stand. I believe 1910? That's cute. Well, they don't have the statues in here anymore. They used to have a statue right here, but it's gone. Oh, wait. Oh, it's wearing a mask now.
Yes, sir. And a regular order of cheese curds as well. Any different kind of cheese curds?
That's interesting. Yeah, he bought his secret formula from a pharmacist in Arizona who claimed to have the best A&W, or not A&W, but who claimed to have the best root beer. That's so funny. I wonder if that's like the original coolest. It's a replica of the parking lot and the stand and the restaurant. It looks old. That bag of A&W right there. Yes, correction, open 1919. I was like 1910, 1912, I couldn't quite remember, but no, 1919. I'm thinking of... Takes forever for my phone to start playing. Their cars, I don't want to... And those are the A&W pals. You can't really see one. There's a truck blocking it, but I think that's what they call them. Cute. It's a mama and a daddy and this boy, son, and a daughter. Why is his burger so big? Okay, well, I'm going to try and find the plaque. There's supposedly a plaque out here somewhere. If not, I hope you enjoyed this trip to the original A&W root beer stand, or home of the original A&W root beer stand. Over 100 years, it says. Cheers. This must be their 100th, their centennial. Happens to fall during the worst virus. Okay.